Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the class which we have conducted on the morning. So we decided today Bank Nifty is going to trade on a range bound. Earlier we decided based on uh, the class, the content where we decide the Bank Nifty should be a flat day, even it was open gap down, but we suggest there is a very slow movement will be there in Bank Nifty. We selected the strike price of 39,400 for a short straddle. We check around the price premium around 930, 940 is around 560, but even the market is moving up and down and up and down. It is today Bank Nifty crossed 3 times the day high, but it could not able to sustain. The reason why we know already. And finally that premium of the Bank Nifty finally ending with 479. So almost from 557, 479, 460 somewhere. So here in this point 454. So almost 100-point premium where it is decreased on Bank Nifty. That measures today the range bound, and we are finding out an opportunity for uh, buying a put or call. Still we didn't get any opportunity. So that concept, those who are attend my class, they know very well. So I'm going to give you a conclusion about this class what we have taken in this video. And let's look at this. There is no opportunity. The put side call is not broken, and the 39,300 where we are focusing in the morning. We did this analysis. Market may be a range bound, and it never go trending based on the highest price as well as the lowest price. Finally, it's a very flat day, and even we are trying to trade on 39,600 straddle. That is what short we done. That is also uh, not moving, so it is also giving you profit. Or almost here we see around 550, and it moves down to 480, and finally it closed by 460. So in the morning around 560 again. That 600 strike price also it loses its premium 100. So while we are doing in a Bank Nifty, it always losing its time value because it is a shorter expiry. Most of the time the premium is going down and down, but even we can find out the trending day or the momentum day. So it's based on the logic which we have learned on the morning. So today what we have suggested today, even though Bank Nifty started 200 300 point gap down, but there is no big movement after that. That is what finally happening on today's scenario, because today I have a live class in the morning, so I am not able to do the trades in stocks where I'm not able to find any good stocks because I'm not watching it out. But even though I was seeing some stocks like um, meanwhile I'm checking some stocks. So today Bank Nifty, those who are watching that today's class, just go for here. There is an opportunity tomorrow as this concept. Maybe Bank Nifty will be positive. That is what the tomorrow's expectation. Bank Nifty maybe goes positive tomorrow. Let's check it out. You know about how to do the positional options by using this method. That is also you learn. So this content is for those who are attend my class the early morning. So you may understand at the end of the day what is happening on Bank Nifty. I hope you understood about the system, how that is working. So you just practice about the strategies, and you just follow daily basis, and it will sure it will going to make you profitable trades. And today also we trade a big booked a positional profit. And now, so here a Bank Nifty we discussed, and same like that Nifty also you can focus the same charts. You can focus on a Nifty also. That will work better. I hope you understand about the strategy. And today about the 45-degree. So we are now, I'm not in the position to check whatever the stocks which is available on the 45-degree. Those who have watched, not see. And I feel the FSL I'm watching from the morning. Godrej consumer product was available the morning around 9:30, 9:40. And some other stock, someone who made a profit in Ambuja Cement. 𝐵𝐻 which is into the list around 448. How 𝐵𝐻, I think yesterday also 𝐵𝐻 which is available on this. Let's go for on a downside. Bajaj Auto, Federal Bank. Federal Bank 2 days back it's performed well. After that it has started moving down and down, and it was generating a very low. I seen around 120 level, and after that one and up down. Let's look at McDowell. That is also I'm watching one of the day. But today due to the gap down, most of the stock open gap lower, and it has started very flat, not moving higher and not moving lower like that happening. But FSL I seen one point of the time about a 45 degree, so that was worked well about FSL. Got about a FSL on whatever the time frame, 45 degree, that was works good on today's scenario. From the opening onwards, it is keep on going higher and higher. So that was also we seen the recovery, full recovery from the V shape. I seen FSL on that. So that is a key. And Zeal after sometimes around 11:30 after only I can see Zeal in this list. But we have finding a stocks is based on the momentum, as well as based on the that 45 degree, that always works better. But today I'm not in the position to find this, and not traded any stocks today. And some other stocks which is giving you good, and recently we did some India Bull Housing Finance, that was a shooting hammer yesterday, but today is a shooting star. Let's look at this hammer, and so now it is also be a inverted hammer. So if you are, this is what our buy entry we are expecting on the stock. Just look at the first 5 minutes. This is what the first 5 minutes, where the first 5 minutes itself it triggers. I already told you, if any stock which is triggers your the entry at first 5 minutes, you should wait to first 5 minutes try to break. But here it is not happening, so there is a no entry on India Housing Finance based on that hammer yesterday. That we discussed already about this hammer and the entry points. And hope you got clear, and those who attend the class, you can focus it out. It is giving you some clear information about the trending market and the range bound market by using this video. Is especially for those who are attend my morning classes. I make this video for that morning class, those who are attend about Banknifty sessions. That was works good, and we decided this is a range bound day where we made the trade opportunity that was working well. And tomorrow we may be expecting Banknifty as a positional strategy. We may expect some bullishness. Let me check it out tomorrow by the opening itself, or after opening. Let me wait and watch for a Banknifty. I think you understood about the concept, what we have decided, and how the premium is decaying, and what kind of trade we can plan for that according to. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.